Hello super learners. Welcome back to Brainsprouts by Robby, the home of fun and easy math. This is part 3 of our multiplication times table lessons. You are doing so well. We've already learned the 1 to 8 times tables in parts 1 and 2. Today, we are learning the 9, 10, 11, and 12 times tables. These ones look big, but don't worry. We will break them into simple steps and practice together. So get your pencil, your notebook, and your big smart thinking brain ready. Let's grow our brain sprouts even more with the 9 times table. Are you ready? Let's begin. 9 times table. The pattern goes 9, 18, 27, 36, 45. It is just repeatedly adding 9 to each number. Here's the 9 times table. 9 times 1 equals 9. 9 times 2 equals 18. 9 times 3 equals 27. 9 times 4 equals 36. 9 times 5 equals 45. 9 times 6 equals 54. 9 times 7 equals 63. 9 times 8 equals 72. 9 times 9 equals 81. 9 times 10 equals 90. 9 times 11 equals 99. 9 times 12 equals 108. 10 times table. Just add a 0. Here's the 10 times table. 10 times 1 equals 10. 10 times 2 equals 20. 10 times 3 equals 30. 10 times 4 equals 40. 10 times 5 equals 50. 10 times 6 equals 60. 10 times 7 equals 70. 10 times 8 equals 80. 10 times 9 equals 90. 10 times 10 equals 100. 10 times 11 equals 110. 10 times 12 equals 120. 11 times table. For numbers 1 to 9, just repeat the number. Here's the 11 times table. 11 times 1 equals 11. 11 times 2 equals 22. 11 times 3 equals 33. 11 times 4 equals 44. 11 times 5 equals 55. 11 times 6 equals 66. 11 times 7 equals 77. 11 times 8 equals 88. 11 times 9 equals 99. 11 times 10 equals 110. 11 times 11 equals 121. 11 times 12 equals 132. 12 times table. Think of 10 times the number, then add 2 times the number to get your 12 times table. Here's the 12 times table. 12 times 1 equals 12. 12 times 2 equals 24. 12 times 3 equals 36. 12 times 4 equals 48. 12 times 5 equals 60. 12 times 6 equals 72. 12 times 7 equals 84. 12 times 8 equals 96. 12 times 9 equals 108. 12 times 10 equals 120. 12 times 11 equals 132. 12 times 12 equals 144. Practice time. Practice makes perfect, and for you to get everything right you need practice. Now let's practice together. Solve the questions before I say the answer. What is 2 times 7? What is 5 times 9? What is 11 times 4? What is 12 times 6? Answers. 2 times 7 equals 14. 5 times 9 equals 45. 11 times 4 equals 44. 12 times 6 equals 72. Great job. If you got it right, and practice makes perfect even if you made a mistake. Today we learned multiplication tables from 8 to 12. Remember, multiplication is just fast adding. Practice every day, and soon you'll say the tables without looking. Assignment. I hope you are ready for your assignment, and I would love to check your answers to the assignment in the comments. Number 1. Write the 2, 5, and 10 times tables. Number 2. Say the 9 times table out loud. Number 3. Ask someone to quiz you on the 6 times table. See you next time, and I would love to know what you think we should do in our next lesson.